Do 100 squats every day and see shocking results. Benefits of squats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into an essential topic for anyone interested in health and fitness. Do 100 squats every day. 1. Initial fitness assessment. Show your initial squat form and fitness level. Discuss any initial difficulties or concerns you had before starting. Daily routine. 1. Routine breakdown. Explain how you structured your daily routine. Mention if you split the 100 squats into sets, e.g. 4 sets of 25, or completed them in one go. Highlight the importance of consistency and dedication. Proper squat technique. Form breakdown. 1. Demonstrate the correct squat form. Feet shoulder-width apart, back straight, knees tracking over toes, and going down to at least parallel. 2. Highlight common mistakes to avoid, such as letting the knees cave in or arching the back. Variations. 1. Introduce variations like goblet squats, sumo squats, and jump squats to keep the routine interesting and target different muscle groups. Progress tracking. 1. Tracking progress. Share tips on tracking progress, such as taking weekly photos, measuring leg circumference, or noting strength improvements. Emphasize the importance of patience and perseverance. Challenges and how to overcome them. Physical challenges. 1. Discuss common challenges like muscle soreness, fatigue, and maintaining proper form. 2. Offer solutions like proper warm-ups, stretching, and gradually increasing intensity. Mental challenges. 1. Talk about staying motivated and overcoming mental barriers. 2. Suggest strategies like setting small goals, staying positive, and celebrating progress. Physical changes. 1. Muscle tone and strength. Share your results after completing the challenge. Discuss changes in muscle tone, strength, and endurance. Include before and after footage or photos if available. Unexpected benefits. 1. Surprising changes. Highlight any unexpected changes such as improved posture, increased energy levels, or enhanced athletic performance. Mention any positive feedback from friends or family. Mental and emotional changes. 1. Mental resilience. Reflect on mental and emotional benefits, such as increased confidence, discipline, and stress relief. Share any improvements in your mood or mindset. Comprehensive benefits. Muscle development. 1. Explain how squats target multiple muscle groups, including quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. 2. Mention the potential for increased muscle mass and improved lower body strength. Functional fitness. 1. Discuss how squats improve functional movements, making daily activities easier. 2. Highlight the role of squats in enhancing athletic performance. Core strength. 1. Describe how squats engage the core muscles, leading to better stability and balance. Metabolism and fat loss. 1. Explain how doing squats can boost metabolism and aid in fat loss due to increased muscle mass. Bone health. 1. Mention the benefits of weight-bearing exercises like squats in increasing bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Cardiovascular health. 1. Discuss how squats can improve cardiovascular health by promoting better circulation and heart function. Mental benefits. 1. Highlight the stress relief and mental resilience gained from regular exercise. Hormonal balance. 1. Explain how squats can stimulate the release of growth hormone and testosterone, which are crucial for muscle growth and overall health.